Raghu Bharat's crew scale has several thousands, runs upwards of 60,000 freelancers today, which is very, very impressive. And somehow scale seems to be a part of it.
Everything we do, everything, even every atomic thing that we do, right? I mean, we always think of scale. I think this is going to be an interesting conversation, right? So because scale has been something like, in fact, even if you look at all our products, whether it's TAL scale, crew scale, so we are actually called the scalers internally. Like, getting people for the first 2-3 was the biggest challenge. I think I still have those memories, implanted pretty deep. Our thesis was also that the top people, especially the high quality people, they don't have dearth of work. So they definitely always constantly keep getting. So that was our thesis, and that's how we started. What we promise is that what we propose, our value proposition is, if you're looking for a Java developer, we get you the top 3 people. You don't need to worry about anything else. You pick and just you interview these guys. How many number of rounds of interview? So he is full. In fact, he has the 100% right on what he wants to do. He can pick and choose the company he wants to go for and things like that. We give that full freedom to the candidate. Yeah. Right, talent may not be in your zip code, in the same zip code, and the opportunities in the world are concentrated, whereas the talent in the world is distributed. Definitely suggest people to take more risks, especially for people in India. I think that's something not part of our DNA. I think that's something we have. So I think for me, not taking risk is risk. The way I look at it is very, very simple, right? Yeah, not taking risk is risk, right? So I think the way the world is evolving and things like that, I think there's only one life. Go and chase your dreams. I think that's my advice to young entrepreneurs.